Good morning, student. Now we are going to start our new chapter. Okay, exercise 3.1. New exercise, which is exercise 3.1. Okay, so student, first question is find the range of highest of any 10 student of your class. Range of heights. Sorry, na. Find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. Student, related topics already we have learnt about it, and means what is arithmetic mean and data and organization of data also. So these type of topics of we also learnt about it. So now we are going to start our exercise, and which is 3.1. So first question is find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. Okay, so you can see here answer or solution. Let's assume heights in centimeter of 10 student of our class. Okay, 130 start from 130 centimeter, and only 10 student we have to take now. So that's why I am writing here 130 to 30, 135, 137, 139, 140, 142, 143, 145, 148. Okay, so by observing the above mentioned value, the highest value is 148. You can see here some of the we taken some centimeter heights in centimeter. Okay, student heights of a student in centimeter, and now in observation you can see here 148 is the highest value, okay, of the height of the student. So by observation the above mentioned values, the heights values is highest value is 148. Okay, and by observation the above mentioned value, the lowest value. So you can see here 130 is the lowest value of the height. Okay, so now again I am repeating here, by observation you can see here 148 is the highest height of the student in centimeter, and now 130 is the lowest value. Okay, then range of heights. So how you can find the range of height? You have to find like that, highest value minus lowest value. Okay, range of heights, how you can find? Okay, highest value minus lowest value. So you can see here highest value is 148, then 148 minus 130. Okay, and when you will subtract 130 from 148, 148 minus 130, so you can see here 8 minus 0, 8, 4 minus 3, 1, and 1 minus 1 cut. So 18 is answer. So you have to write here 18 centimeter. Okay, very easily you can find the answer. And the next question is organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. Okay, once again I am repeating the question. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. Means some numbers are given. Okay, data are given. So you have to find, you have to make a you have to do the assessment in a tabular form. Means you have to make the table. Okay, table like that. Okay, so the question is organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. So some numbers are also given. So first number question, which number is the highest, and second one, which number is the lowest. Okay, third one, what is the range of the data, and 4, find the arithmetic mean. Okay, 4 questions are here. Okay, related this data. So first question is which number is the highest, and second one which number is the lowest, third one what is the range of the data, and fourth one find the arithmetic mean. Okay, so first we have to arrange the given marks in ascending order. Okay, so at first numbers are given. In this number you have to follow the ascending order. Okay, ascending order means lowest to order means lowest to smallest. You have to arrange this data lowest to smallest, means smallest to biggest. Okay, smallest to biggest. So smallest number is 1. Okay, so you can choose. Okay, you have to choose in in this okay, from this number, and write, at first you have to write the smallest number and then you have to write the biggest number. Okay, okay student. Now 1, okay, and 2 is how many times? You can see here 2, 1, 2, and okay, only 2 times na. So you have to write 2, 2, and then 3. Okay, let's check 3 is only 1 time here, so you have to write only 1 time. Now 4, let's check 1, 2, 3, and 3, I think 3 times only, so you have to write 3 times. Okay, and now continue this process, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we will draw the frequency table of the given data. Okay, frequency table of the given data. Now we will draw the frequency table of given data. Means you have to marks, telemarks and frequency. 3 columns are here, and first one is marks, then telemarks and frequency. Okay, so marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8 and 9, because numbers are given 1 to 9. Okay, from 1 to 9, that's why we will take here the number from 1 to 9. Okay, 1 is how many times? So 1 is only 1 time. That's why telemarks like that, and frequency only 1 time is 1 time is given, so that's why I write here 1. Okay, now 2. So 2, you can see here 2, 1, 2, 2 times. So that's why telemark like that, 1, 2, and frequency like that. Okay, now 3 how many times? 3 only 1 time, so only 1. Okay, 4 only 3 times, so 3. 5 is 5 time, so for 5 time telemarks like that, 1 minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, and like that 5. Okay, it's 5, so it's a telemark. Okay, you have to see and try to make. Okay, now by observation, the table clearly the highest number among the given data is 9. Highest number 9. Okay, by observing the table clearly, the lowest number among the given data is 1. Okay, we know that a range equal to highest value minus lowest value. So highest value is 9 and lowest value is 1. So 9 minus 1, the range of the data is 8. 9 minus 1 because 8. Okay, now we have to calculate arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean equal to sum of all observation upon total number of observation. So sum of all observation upon total number of observation. So at first sum of the all observation. So numbers are 1, 2, 2. You can see here. Number. Okay, this number. So for find the arithmetic mean, you have to add these all numbers. Okay, so you have to add these all numbers. So you can see here the numbers are 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3 plus 4, 4, 4, and so on. Okay, so now add, after addition the number is 100. Okay, will come, and total number of observation. So you have to count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 numbers are here. Okay, so you have to divide 100 by 20. Okay, then you can easily find the arithmetic mean. Okay, 100 divided by 20. Let's see, 100 by 20. So 0 and 0 cut, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. So answer is 5. Okay, answer is 5. Okay, thank you student. Pause this video and try to make this table. Okay, thank you.